Hey, thank you so much for tuning in to DJ's World TV. So this video is going to be about computer building. I recently built my first all Intel build, and I'm very pleased. A lot of time and research went into configuring everything. The most important thing was performance, and second was power consumption. So these are the items that I use for my rig. So come join me and take a look into what I built. So this is the beauty. This is my first all Intel build. This is an MSI case. Pretty sweet light patterns that are controlled from this. I have mine laying down. I know a lot of people don't like that. Leave down in the comments, do you like yours standing or do you like it laying flat? So the reason why I have this color pattern is to match the stock Intel Arc A770 limited edition, or A770 limited edition. But yeah, it's very sweet. There's a side shot. I'll go ahead and I'll take off the glass so everyone can get a up close look. But yeah, so there's the RAM. There's a sweet radiator type air cooler. My personal CP, my personal CPU, the Intel 13500, cannot be unlocked, but still wanted to keep it cool. And this fan is beautiful. That's why I chose it. The motherboard I actually got used on Newegg, $79.99, and they actually upgraded me to a Pro Series, so that was pretty sweet. Shout out to Newegg. Nobody sponsored this video. However, if you guys want to sponsor, I'll be willing to accept. But yeah, so pretty much this is the build. We're gonna go and dive in and see some performance next. All right, so here we go, guys. This is gonna be a Cinebench R23 CPU multi-core benchmark. We're gonna go ahead and run that one. All right. If this is your first time stopping by, please do us a favor and subscribe. We definitely would appreciate that. We love to explore our different hobbies and share tips and just, hang out with our community. If you go back to some of our older videos, you'll see a lot of contour videos. Go ahead and check those out. We have some EDM music, some rock, some hip hop, some rap, those type of genres. So go ahead and check those out. After the pandemic hit, we kind of slowed down on doing that, so we don't have much of that content. However, you can find some of our new hobbies and passions. So do us a favor, browse through the videos, check them out. We definitely appreciate that. So this is what we're running with. This is what we're working with. We'll let it do its thing. Yeah, that's the build. One thing that I wanted to share with everybody, I do have 2 degrees in computer science, so I did a lot of research in this build, took my time, made sure everything was perfect, and I just wanted to share with everybody. Go ahead, and if anybody has any questions or comments or concerns or needs any tips, leave a comment. I'll be glad to help you guys out. Yeah, so it up on the multi-core. Or actually, I think yeah, we're wrapping it up on the multi-core. We're gonna most likely do the single core decks. And yeah, thank you again for sticking by. We truly appreciate that. Any questions you guys might have about my build, or even if you're building your own or plan to build your own, feel free to pick my brains. I'm more than happy to share any type of information I can help you out with. All right, we're about to get our scores. Let's see. What we're gonna score. Alrighty, this is my first time literally ever running this, so I'm not sure how long it takes to generate a score, but we are waiting for the score. So far, it's showing and it's like fourth place, which is pretty sweet. Beating a high nine, pretty awesome. All right, so that's our score right there. We scored 14,947 points on the multi-core. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a single core. All right. So while it's doing the single core, we're gonna go ahead and just show you pretty much the parts that we got for this. Let's go right here. Oh, nice. Let's see what they got right now on this. Ooh, they got promotions, guys. Look, you guys got promotion code PAX426. You get $20 off the 3600K. That one does use more power, right? But you can unlock it if that's what you're into. These ones already sold out. Oh, you can save an additional $15. So this is the graphics card I do have right now. You also get the sweet bundle. You get 2 games, and you also get some video editing software, so it's pretty sweet. Those are some of the specifications. But yeah, it's a amazing deal right now. You get all that, and you get $15 off. They're in stock. You can get up to 20 per customer if you're into that sort of thing. But yeah, let's see the CPU now. We're gonna go ahead and close that. Alrighty, so I don't know why I had that filtered, but we're not looking for that. Let's go ahead and go right here. I'll be very specific. Ooh, you get $10 off right now. Ooh, Walmart has it for that much. Wow. So yeah, I'm kind of jealous, you guys. You see, you guys can save more money than I did. But yeah, she's a beauty and a beast. Talking about the graphics card, like I said, she's a beauty. It's Intel's first run at it. They might have over-engineered it. You know, they do got some time to work out the drivers. However, it's Intel. I'm more than happy to give them the time. More than happy to, grow with the Intel build. This is my everyday build, so if anybody, especially Intel, Microsoft, whoever, you guys need some testers, I got a lot of free time right now. I'll be more than happy to do the testing. Message me in on Instagram. That's how you can get a hold of me, DJ's Roll TV. All right, let's see where our bench is currently at. Got 6 more minutes. Let's see. So the case that I got it at Best Buy. Let's go right here. This is the SSD. And then now we're gonna go here. Yeah, she's pretty.
Some people prefer the Sanders, it's more common. However, as you've seen, I like mine lying down. The reason for that is because I have kids, and if it's already lying down, there's no worrying about it having to fall down. So that's the main reason why I have mine lying down. And then also you can literally just take a look over the glass and see the internal components. You can see it standing up as well. It's more in your face, but however you can take a peek. And then if you have a lot of RGB lights, you can see all those nice lights. All right, so there's that. Here's the SSD I chose. So you guys can get an idea. And then for the power supply unit, over here. This is the one I got. It's semi-modular. What that means, it doesn't have all the cables connected, which means you can use the cables that you need only, and you can save the cables in a box for whenever you do need them. So it's pretty sweet. As you can see, those are the cables that I was talking about. Use what you need, store what you don't. Beautiful. And then the last component. I actually have DDR4. DDR5 is a bit pricier. It is gonna bring up the price of your build. However, it is future-proof. That is technically the latest and greatest when it comes to RAM. So keep that in mind. The one I went with is the Vengeance LPX. It does have a higher clock speed that you can get it. It's not the stock one. You do have to go into your BIOS settings to enable it. But yes, 32 gigabytes. Pretty sweet, pretty sufficient. I do video editing, I do some gaming. It's definitely sufficient for what I do. Let's go take a sneak peek. We're about at 3 minutes. All right. So we got our CPU, we got our graphics card, SSD, case, PSU, RAM, and then motherboard is the next thing. So for the motherboard, personally, I got mine on sale. I'd recommend Newegg because you will find cheaper motherboards and a vast variety compared to Best Buy. So if you're looking for a motherboard, you want to make sure you get the LG A1700 if you're going with the 13 series. Uh, Intel. Let's see, motherboard. All right. Yeah, you have some for $80. This is pretty sweet, but that's a LG 1200. The Philips Fusion didn't do a good job. Wow, this one's really pricey. Just depending on how much you want to spend, you see the different prices. On mine, I spent $79.99. It was an open box, and they did upgrade me to a Pro Series. So thank you, Newegg. I appreciate that. But yeah, so pretty much, if you want to get that one, you can get that one. If you want to continue to look for cheaper ones, you're more than welcome to. But yeah, that's just my dream build. And I definitely appreciate for everyone who's stuck around. Let's see where we're at on the benchmark. We're down to the last minute, wrapping that up. Oh boy, right now we're looking in first place. Are you serious? Wow, we're leading in first place. I don't know where we're gonna finish at, but that's pretty amazing. We're beating the i7. Keep in mind that probably uses more electricity. So like I said, the main two things on my list was power and energy. So right now we're looking pretty darn good. We're gonna see where we finish in this race. They totally got the OS wrong. We're not on Windows 10, so I'm not sure where I got that from. Cinebench, your um, app is not recognizing the OS properly. The last 20 seconds. But yeah, this is pretty sweet. I can't believe we're literally whooping these ones right now. We're gonna see what we finish at. Alright, so now it's tallying it up. I know it's not instant and it takes some time to gather that beautiful data, gather up the final points. So let's see what we're gonna score. Please do us a favor. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. We are doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. We're gonna have that link in there. Yeah, please help us. It's free for you guys, and it is definitely appreciated. It keeps me motivated to pump out content. I truly appreciate all of our dear subscribers. It's taken us so long to grow to have what we have, and we truly appreciate you guys. Our goal is to hit 1,000. I don't know how long it's gonna take, but we're gonna continue to strive and put our best foot forward to try to make that happen, guys. The anticipation as we await. Do us a favor, leave us a comment. Do you guys have your gaming PC lying down or do you have it standing up? I gave my reason why I have mine lying down. I have two kids and don't want to have to think about if they were to have it fall down. One, he has his own. I gave him my old one, so I know he respects it more than the other. Oh boy, it's taking its sweet precious time. And I also have some other videos on some gaming. The older ones are on the older gaming PC, and then the new Intel. Everything that's gonna be that I pretty much game on the Intel, I'll make sure I specify it in the description. And it still hasn't gave us our score yet. I'm happy to see that it was leading, and I'm just still curious where it's gonna place. All the anticipation. Go ahead and close that out. And then if anybody's looking to, build something similar, I did share with you guys everything. There's a lot of current sales. This video is current. I'm gonna make sure I get it uploaded as fast as possible by the end of today. Hopefully we get our score soon. It's been at zero. It looks like we're gonna probably have to wait for the last part to render. Which shouldn't be much longer. It does have, just a little bit to go. Oh, and the frames, I guess, I fill all the block spots. So let's do its thing. We'll wait for our precious score. We'll run some game clips too. We'll make sure to have those for you guys as well. Almost done. All right, so we killed it. We killed it. We scored first place. It's showing a total a last score of 1,677, and it shows us first place. Let's see, identical scores. That's pretty amazing. Those are some of the competition that we beat in the single cores. We beat a i9, we beat an i7, and this was an i5. Lots of research I spent, you know, thinking about everything, and I'm glad to place this high. So now let's go ahead and get everything